Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to treat and repair your system with this very powerful alkaline green juice to live a very healthy life, very clean, free of diseases and sicknesses. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient you will need is lime. Yes, limes are very good for cleansing. They will cleanse your organs, cleanse your system of all the fats, most especially fat accumulated around your liver, your belly. It cleanses all the bad excess cholesterol because this contains the good acids which help to flush out bad acids, high cholesterol like fats in your system. Lemons are very good and alkalizing as well to fight diseases out of your system. So this is lime, actually lime or lemon, that is just fine. We want it really strong, so I'll be using one lime is kind of stronger than lemon. So this is it. You want to wash, slice your lime. This helps to burn fats really good, so you don't have all the excess fats or bad cholesterol, for clean and healthy system. So this is my one lime. Yeah, so the second ingredient I'll be using will be cucumber. So when you talk of cleansing, repairing, treating your system, you don't want to ever miss cucumbers. These are very alkalizing. They nourish and hydrate your system, support it to flush and cleanse toxins out of your system, plus leaving your system very fresh and hydrated. This is so good for disease fighting and for cleansing. So what you need is one cucumber. You just need to get your cucumber washed thoroughly and slice into sizes that you can easily get the juice out of it. So this is it. You just wash and slice and voila. This is one cucumber, very alkalizing, will treat your organs, your liver, leaving them in very clean and good state by detoxing and cleansing them, so you can live a very healthy life. So this is the one cucumber, washed, sliced, and yeah, that is the second ingredient. Something you want to add when it comes to cleansing, fat burning, or repairing your system is ginger. Ginger helps to clean your system, clean your organs, clean your skin from the inside by flushing out all those excess bad fats, cholesterol, like all unwanted stuffs in your system. This detoxifies and help you pass out everything, so your system can be so clean from the inside. That way you're free from diseases or sicknesses due to toxins in your system or accumulated stuffs that your system no longer needs. This helps your system flush it out. So when you consume ginger, it boosts your metabolism, heats up your system, and you easily visit your restroom, poo everything out. That way your system is so clean and healthy from the inside, which is very important. Treating your skin gives you utmost health, like the best health. We can't go wrong by adding in some celery stems in here. Celery equally helps to purify your system, purify your blood, clean your organs, like treat your skin from the inside for you to have that freshness, that glow from the inside. Because your system is so clean, you want to add in some celery stems. So these are 4 stems of celery. You just want to wash your celery, slice into good sizes that you can easily like get the juice out 100%. Like this is it. So these are this in here is my celery and cucumber in that plate. So these are the first 3 ingredients, and I'll be adding 1 apple. Apple a day is loaded with a lot of nutrients your system needs for that day. So this is like consuming 1 apple a day nourishes your system. So if you make sure you always get your organic food, that way you are eating the right apples. Always go for organic because these are loaded with nutrients, but the unhealthy ones are not really good. As some, you want to stay away from foods that are not really organic, and always go for the organic food. Or you always wash your fruits when you buy them with vinegar and water. And in short, I have a video on how to properly wash your fruits to wash away pesticides from them. If you haven't, ask me and I'll link you up. So these are my ingredients here. You have your 1 lime, you have 2 tablespoons of ginger, you have 1 apple, you have 1 cucumber, 4 stems of celery. So these are the ingredients I'll be using to come up with this very rich alkaline juice for cleansing, repairing, and healing. So this is it. I just want to juice it. If you don't have a juicer, you can blend and squeeze out the juice, but this can be a little bit easy at times for you to get that real concentrated juice. You want to juice it, use your juicer so you really have it in the concentrated form. There are some juices that I add in water depending on what the ingredients, but there are some that I actually juice. So if you are following my recipes to try, I do each recipe for a particular reason. Like this, I want this recipe to really be concentrated, to really be rich. I will not be adding any water in here for a reason, because I use a little bit, not too much of ginger. Some recipes I will use water depending on the ingredients and what I really want to achieve. But this, I really need this healing juice really concentrated to clean my system, clean my organs, nourish them, repair them for utmost health, and plus help me burn and flush out all the bad fat, excess bad cholesterol in the system. Like you see, it has really extracted all the juice. This is really good. That is why I love this juicer. It does the job for me as well. So this is my juice. Once you get it, you want to just mix it up to get one consistency, and you pour in your glass and you're good to go. So this is it. Once in a while, if you don't have a juicer, you can ask me and I'll link you up on how to get a good juicer like this to make your juice once in a while. If you love your health, always invest in things like this. Always have them handy at home so you treat yourself. Trust me, this is better than spending a lot of money later to doctors to treat you of some diseases that some are not even curable. You just manage them, whereas if you prevent them, you will live a very healthy life. So you need alkaline juices like this to repair, treat your system, to always stay healthy without sicknesses, without falling sick all the time, with a very strong immune system, flush out all the bad fat, waste out of your system. Like this is so healthy. This is health in a glass, your wealth in a glass. This will save you money to give to doctors later, and you will always be healthy. Yeah, share this video. These are my recipes I use to maintain a healthy body size, free of diseases and sicknesses. I'm always so healthy because I am very proactive. I make juices like this to maintain my good health, and I always stay so healthy. This helps me burn my belly fat, cleanse me. Once you detox, it takes away all the excess gas or cholesterol in your system, bad fats, like clean your belly. That way you hardly experience belly fat because your belly has been cleaned and your metabolism is so active. You hardly gain that excess bad weight, and you always stay in shape. Yeah, so feel free to share this video with your family and friends, whoever, be it your husband, your boyfriend, so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.